Hi guys and girls, and welcome back to Dr. Dave. So today we're going to be doing a Steam tutorial how to either install Steam onto a different drive so you're not clogging up your C drive, or to be able to move the games from your C drive to an additional drive if you have filled up your C drive. So what we're going to do is we're going to jump over to the live screen and we will show you how to do it. Right, so we're now over on the desktop. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to my downloads folder, and this is where I've stored Steam setup. So you go into the Steam setup, click next, select English if you are English, of course, and then as you can see here, I've got mine stored on the D drive. But a lot of people will come in here, this will say C, programs x86, and then they'll go to browse and they will start scrolling through all of this stuff. They'll find the drive where they want to put it on, they'll click it and click OK. And as you can see, the install button has grayed itself out because it hasn't got the proper directory, and then you'd be scratching your head wondering why it's not bloody working. So then if you type in Steam behind this D/, then you can install it. I've already installed mine, so I don't need to go through it. You just click next, 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 and finish, and that's that part of it done. So that is how to put Steam onto a secondary drive instead of installing it to the C drive and then having to, faff around trying to move it later. But if you have already installed it onto the C drive and you're now running out of room and you want to move stuff, the easiest option is to come to Steam. So we'll get that so you can see it. So you're going to go to Steam in the top corner, settings, downloads, and then you're going to go to Steam library folder. As you can see here, I've got one set up for D and I've got one set up for E. So when you come in here, it will just be like C, programs x86, Steam. So to add a folder, you click add folder, and then don't get bamboozled by all of this. You can literally click this minus button here, it will all go away, and then you select from the top which drive you would like to put it onto, and then you'll click, say for instance, C drive, and then hit new folder. Then it will come up Steam library. You click OK, and then you hit select, and there you go. You've got a secondary folder there. But I'm not going to do that because I don't want one on my C drive. I wanted it on my external drives only. And then what you can do is from there you can go to your library, and then obviously here is Eurotruck. It is installed. Go to properties, and then somewhere here, I haven't done this in such a long time. Here, look, move installation folder. So it's already on the D drive, and then there's my secondary. So if you have already installed it onto C and your C's clogged up, do what I just did. Go into Steam settings, downloads, Steam library, make your second library here, and then once you've made your second library, you go to the games that you want to move, go to properties, and then once you're in properties, then you'll go over to local files and then move installation folder. So that's how to do that. So I hope that helped you guys. So that is the easiest way to either set up Steam on a secondary drive straight away, so then you're not going to run into the problem of running out of storage on your C drive. Or the second option is to then, like I said, make a secondary folder. Once you've made that secondary folder, right click on the game, properties, then you go to file location, and then you move the folder to your other Steam library on your other drive. So I hope that helped you guys and girls. As always, I've been Dr. Dave, you guys have been amazing, and we'll catch you on the next one. Bye for now.